Today we will see how to get the Replicate API key. We have used Replicate for image generation. Here for the application, you can click here or you can search on Google for what is Replicate API key. Yes. So Replicate API. When you search for Replicate on Google, it will show up. If you type Replicate, it will appear. Here you need to click on Try for free. But when you click on Try for free, you can actually register here with just your email. What you have to do is use GitHub to sign up. So first you need to go to github.com and create an account using your email. Then you can sign in. Go ahead and click on the GitHub button right here. Once you click on Sign in with GitHub, your entire sign up process will be completed automatically for you. And right after you finish signing up, there is a specific system here that I am going to show you in just a moment. When you click on your name, there will be a page token here. If you click on this page token, you will get it directly. In my account, it has been disabled a long time ago. This is a very old account. So here, just when you use a name like 1 o'clock, suppose FacelessClip, you can use Sleepy just for your understanding. With this, what you need to do is simply click on Create Token. Then you will see that the 1 o'clock token has been created. If you click on Copy Token, this will be your API token and you just need to add it here. Now I will test it, but the test will fail because my account is disabled. So you should add it and click on Test. If it shows Success or OK, or if it shows Validate, then you'll know that it's working. But before that, you must go to Billing and add a card at 1 o'clock. Go to Billing and add your card under Manage Billing. Here you must note that I had a due of $30. That's why it worked for me. So what you need to do is just go to add credit. Sorry, not add credit. I mean, you have to add your card in manage billing. Add your card there, then generate a pay token. After adding your card, generate the pay token and then add the pay token here. When you add it here, you'll see that in this Mr. video, the images from Replicate, the models of those images will be set to 100. Here you need to register this. Once you register, you'll see that your application's OC, well, here I haven't saved it. You need to click on save, then it will work. So you have to do this. Once you register, everything will be properly set to 100. See, it hasn't been set to 100 here yet. Once you register, it will appear here. So this is how you actually need to add the API to the application, the full API, which we'll see in the next video.